Ayan, nilagyan ko ng yung embutido ko, nilagyan ko ng ng crab stick. Ayan, dalawa. Ayan.
Hey, Chris! Chris!
Ayan, oh. Nilagay ko siyang crab stick. Ayan. Embutido with crab stick.
Hey, Chris! Chris! Come on, bro. Come on, bro. You gotta go crazy one time.
Embutido
Bring it
na
back, bring it back.
may crab
Let's
stick.
go! Let's go, hey!
Try natin. Instead na itlog or hotdog. Wala akong hotdog ngayon eh. Tsaka yung itlog, hindi ako nakapaglaga. Ito na lang, crab stick. May crab stick. Embutido with crab stick. Ayan.